10, we going viral. You heard? Top 10, dead or alive, I swear to God. You already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
Scat boys, what's he gonna do? I'm not even tuned right now. I don't know why I'm trying to line shit up. My injectors max out at 6,500, bro. 100% duty cycle at 6,500 RPM. So we've been big chilling, bro. I'm not trying to blow this motor on some dumb shit. Slave cylinder and the clutch master cylinder for the 9th gen Civic.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
Huge shout out to Hybrid for sending this out. So I'm about to switch some parts from this to the new one and then install the new one and bleed it. And we'll see what happens.
Damn, we probably needed this boat for some. I'll poke a hole in that bitch.
Chill. Yo.
Do that.
Come on, bro. Chill.
Hey, chill. Hey, it's hot outside.
There you go. We got more exhaust this time. Hey, keep hitting that bit, bro. We going home.
You know that. Oh, what you reaching for, nigga? Yeah, I look like it's on life support. Life support. Unplug that shit.
This is what we go through. We just went for pictures. Hey, the pictures look nice though. Look at that pic. Look at that pic right here. That pic look nice.
But like, what we're really talking about now is like how you shouldn't be driving that. Like, my wheels are...
He said, what the fuck is going on?
I'm not even showing that much wire.
Bro said he's going to drive to South Florida. He said,
hey,
yo. Bravo, what the fuck? I'm Cambridge. I'm Cambridge. Y'all don't see it, but I'm Cambridge. I need that quick toe.
Nigga, that nigga toe. That nigga toe set up like this, boy.
Nah, it set up like if it was coming down the street. I dropped it to first gear and I did a pull. While I did the pull, I threw it back in drive. When I threw it back in drive, Corey and Mark saw black smoke. Coming from the back. Once that black smoke came out from the back, I had no type of torque. I'm pressing on the gas, the car's not going anywhere. What happened, we rolled about half a mile, I pulled up in here, I was worried, I thought my motor blew. No noise was coming out of my exhaust. Automatically thought airflow, no flow, exhaust clogged. My cats have been bad for a long time. So I took a hammer.
Chill. Yo.
Do that.
Whose hammer was it?
I'm not saying
Pause. I said pause.
Alright, where's
It's my hammer, by the way, y'all.
I'm not walking back to my room to charge this shit, so I got 68% whatever niggas trying to do with this shit here.
What's going on? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I heard race.
This guy, yo.
My fault, bro. I just heard race. What's going on?
I see a 40-year-old.
Who's racing?
After,
Little 40-year-old. You better get me before I make another change, bro.
I heard that first.
No words? No words?
Oh, shit. What you on? You said
words?
40-year-old?
I don't race.
He said he don't.
I don't race.
Say that one more time for the camera.
Oh, shit. Oh, I thought I stepped on some valuable shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I put it in there. Some shit's so tough. This nigga over here putting coils on his shit. What you did the front so far? Oh, fuck. What's going on here? What's going on? Oh, so you're trying to pop the tire in front of me. That's crazy. No. This nigga's wild.
Hey, no, it's
Oh, fuck. What we got here? There's a lot of shit going on right now.
OBX headers, bro.
Oh,
You know what we're about to do?
what you about to do?
About to so step in that shit, bro.
look like some good quality right there.
Hell yeah, man.
Let me get look at the wells, man. Let me see. Open the fucking shit, yo.
Look at these welds, man. Look at these welds, man. What I bet, catless, man.
Finally.
Catless straight pipe. We about to be breathing, man.
Fucking long enough, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
It did take me long, but the ones on my car right now, from the last video, you seen what happened. It was bad.
Bro, his new fitment looks so clean, bro. Cambered in front. Bro, that mag blue one of my favorite blues on wheels, bro.
Before you park.
Boy is dead fitted, bro. He's dead fitted. I'm not even gonna lie. Real nice and smooth. I feel a lot more vibration in the clutch pedal. It's like it feels more raw, if that makes sense. You feel everything.
What do you mean by that?
I adjusted the clutch position to like 5 thread showing. If y'all need an in-detail video of that, go ahead and visit my boy Civic YouTube channel. That's what I looked up when I installed this. He go into way more detail than I do. A little bit of play, but not too much in the clutch pedal, which is exactly what we're going for. I think this master cylinder takes away, I think what's called the delay valve. That shit work. Whatever that do, that shit work. I think it worked.
They make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
That shit felt like